In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contact data from Hubspot. Exporting your contacts is really useful if you want to back up your data, share it with another team, or bring it into another tool like a reporting platform or a spreadsheet for deeper analysis. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you feel confident doing it on your own, even if you're brand new to HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account and head to the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Hover over the Contacts section, then click on Contacts in the drop-down. This will bring you to your main Contacts dashboard, where you can see all the people stored in your CRM. Before exporting, take a moment to decide exactly what you need. You can export all contacts, or you can export just a filtered list, such as leads from a specific campaign, customers from a certain region, or contacts created within a specific date range. To do that, use the filters at the top of the Contacts page to narrow down your view. This step helps keep your export clean and focused, and it also reduces the amount of data you need to sort through later. Once your list looks right, look for the Options menu near the top right of the Contacts table. There you'll find the Export option. Click it, and HubSpot will ask you what kind of file you'd like to create. Most people choose CSV or Excel because those formats open easily in spreadsheet tools like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Pick the file type that works best for how you plan to use the data. Next, you'll be prompted to choose which properties or fields you want to include in the export. These might include first name, last name, email, phone number, life cycle stage, and any custom properties you've created. You can select all of them if you're not sure what you'll need, or you can select only the ones that matter for your specific use case. Being intentional here will save you time when you start working with the file. After confirming your selections, start the export. Depending on the size of your contact list, HubSpot may prepare the file in the background and send you a download link via email, or it may provide the file directly in your browser. Once it's ready, download the file and save it somewhere secure and easy to find, such as a shared drive or a clearly labeled folder on your computer. And that's the full process. You've successfully exported your contact data from HubSpot and are ready to use it wherever you need.